In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Wix website to the Google Search Console. We want to go to the main page of Wix and log in into our account, and then we want to scroll down until we see this option for marketing and SEO. So if we click on it, then it will take us to this page. So we want to click on SEO right here, again from the left hand side. And it will show us this Google Search Console. Connect to see how many clicks and impressions your site is getting on Google. So we want to connect to Google, and it will look like this. So now we have to go to the SEO setup checklist. So it's going to look like this. Start your SEO journey to get found on Google. Answer 3 questions so we can build a personalized checklist, complete all checklists, and connect to Google, and submit your homepage for fast indexing. So we want to click on get started. What's the name? What's this business's or brand's name? So I'm going to call it Net Store. You will write the name of your website. So click on next. What does this business serve its customers? This business serves customers from a physical address. This business serves customers nationwide, worldwide. So if it's e-commerce, you select the second option, click on next. Which keywords do you want to use in this site's checklist? So this is really important. It's recommended to start with 3 keywords, separate each one with a comma. So I'm going to do store and then add a comma. I'm going to do e-commerce and I'm going to do influencer, for example. So store, e-commerce, influencer. And you can also read or see some examples of good keywords. If we click on here, so as you can see, the better keywords are actually more lengthy keywords. But you can also use this tool to get keyword ideas, but I'm just doing this for the sake of this tutorial. So I'm going to click on next. And now it's gonna look like this. So it will ask us for some other information. So we need to add a homepage description for search results. So if we click on go for it, tell people about the site. So we need to use 1 keyword, the business or site name, and text length between 50 and 500 characters. So this is an example store for the Net Help e-commerce YouTube influencer website, for example. So as you can see, we've matched all of the criteria. So we need to click on apply and publish. This is just an example. You will write a better description for your website, I hope. So after we have done this, it will tell us that we need to connect this site to a custom domain, which is a premium feature. But basically you will click on connect to a domain. There are plenty of tutorials on how you can do this. And once you have done this, the other step is connecting this site to the Google Search Console itself. So if we click on go for it, it will tell us that we need to get, or we can get listed with Google Search so potential customers can find us in online results. We need to confirm this with our Google Search Context console. And if we click on connect now, it will show us that we actually need to complete the previous steps. But basically, after you have filled in all of this information, then it will show as filled, so 7 out of 7, and it will actually allow us to connect to the Google Search Console, which is fairly a straightforward process. You click on here and it automatically connects it to your Wix website. So hope this helps. Hope this helps you set up SEO on Google for your Wix website. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.